Hi, I'm coming in the back door here at Excalibur. Magnet mix, that's cool. So I'm coming in from the Luxor side. There's a little tunnel you can walk back and forth. It's great. Got a big food court here. I'm getting tatted up. A lot of food options here. Tacos, Del Taco, fresh avocado. It's like a mall in here. Pepe. I've eaten there before, not there, but I have another one. Get down to the deal. Casino. Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Tables are active. Look at that. $10 minimum. $10 table minimums here. That's great. Tell you what, for it being this time of day, this is a pretty busy casino. So down here would be the Royal Tower. Johnny Rockets, wow, they're still around? That's great. You got a sports bar here. Looks pretty big, and then you got a sports bar right over there too. I wonder what all these people are doing. Are they on vacation? Do they live here and they're just stock slot machine guys or girls, players? Here's the sports book. That's where I would be. Just getting ready for some games today. Looks like you got a Starbucks there. That's awesome. Kind of a weird sports room. Chairs like that. Oh, that's a lobby bar, not a sports bar. That's what I was pointing at a minute ago. Arcade. Let's go check that out. There's a lot of people coming upstairs. Oh, wow. It's a big arcade. Tournament of Kings. What is that? King Arthur. Oh, that's cool. Excalibur. The Royal Mice. So they got a huge arcade here. I bet it's like 15 Chuck E. Cheese's rolled into one. So you got the front desk right here. Got a huge bar here, because I'm sure folks aren't ready to check in yet. So they go grab a drink or whatever. So here's the front. Whenever you come in, here's the hotel lobby. Very medieval-ish. Get ice cream too. You can go to the New York,